What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today, sadly, is a red day recap. All right, guys, so let's jump right on into it. Today, I had on watch SOLO, SCON, SPI, OSS. Those are my watchers today. And bring this up here. I'll bring up my orders. Crap day. OSS, I bought at 335 starter position, set my stops, and got stopped out 322 of my starter. And then on SOLO, I got in at 494. I added when I thought we were going to break $5. We didn't break $5 and got stopped out at 475. Super whack. I'm really not happy today at all. I do have the trade on OSS recorded here. As you can see, I'm in 250 shares, 338 cost basis, and I'm looking for it to hold this 325. Why? Very simple. And this was a pre-market plan I had, which kind of worked out, but a little weird and a little sloppy. Here, let me show you first the daily. So here we have this line right here. You see it's 325, 324 area. That's the 200-day moving average for the stock. So my plan was to watch for this to open up, if SPI sold off, turn my attention over to OSS and watch for a dip down there to buy some cheap shares and sell them to a push to $4. That was my plan. I actually wrote about this in chat and everything. And it didn't, it worked out. I'll show you here on the 3-minute, but it worked out too soon. I thought this would happen a little bit later in the morning. We had a quick dip to 326 and then a pop straight to 390, I believe it was the high. Oh wait, we can hover over the candle and check that. Yeah, 390, you see it right there on this little box. So 390, the open was 336, it dipped. This low here was 325. The 200-day moving average is 324 or 325. And the high was 390. My plan exactly. But I didn't think it was going to happen so quickly. So once we pulled back in here and I saw we held, I decided to take that tier 1. Thinking we're going to get kind of like a double bottom effect going on here, especially since SPI was dying off. But that did not happen. Here you see the live trade I'm in. And it starts to bounce a little bit, but the volume just wasn't there. I had my hard stop put out, and I was looking at SOLO as well. And here comes the little flush, and I get stopped out right there. Bam, stopped out, closed off. So it is what it is. Then on SOLO, I'll show you what was going on there. If I can get all this to work for us real quick. So on SOLO, okay, so here we have the daily. Let me bring you this one. I think it's a little bit better to see, a little zoomed in. Here we have the daily, and we have a pivot point here on the daily, okay? We have this pivot point here on the daily. We broke through it. That's that, kind of $5 area. We broke through it. So I was looking for $5.30, $5.50, and then ultimately $6, okay? That was my plan on this trade. So we break through that, right? Let me show you this 15 minutes so you can see a little bit clearer. And we start to hold above yesterday's highs. And we start to flag above yesterday's highs. And VWAP. Let me show you on the 3-minute what it looked like. And VWAP. But the damn thing failed. Now it went all the way down here now to 360s. And now it's kind of going back up here to 370s. Volume is garbage completely. Obviously, bears are extremely comfortable today in their shorts. So what do if we don't have shorts available, or if we're in a cash account and can't short? Or, obviously, like I said, we don't have shorts available for a lot of these small caps in, places like E-Trade and whatnot. Sit on our hands. Sit on our hands. More than likely, there's not going to be any recap video tomorrow because I will probably not be trading tomorrow. I have some things I got to take care of. And frankly, I like taking care of, errands when the market for my strategy is not working out. There's no sense in me, turning myself in a market that isn't friendly to my style of trading. So that's probably what I'm going to do tomorrow and not trade. So hopefully we get some big runners up here soon to spark these small caps back up again, and we can start making some money again. But until then, guys, I will probably not be back until Monday. I do have some upcoming videos next week. I have one I think that should be up either Monday or Wednesday. I'd have to check for you. Maybe I'll drop it in the comment section below. How did you do today? Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know. Let me know what you traded, what your entries and exits were, and how your strategy is working out in the current market conditions. All right, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're alerted every single time I upload a video, and I'll catch you on the next one.